Yo, what's up, everybody? Good evening. Happy Sunday. Hopefully, you guys are all doing good. Just put out the links for the Discord and for the vertical stream there. There, Miss K, Kyle, Jane Bond, Ryan Entourage, and Jonathan starting it up, working on your license. Hey, look at that. Good for you, Jonathan. That's awesome. Thank you for the super chat. Wow, what a way to start the stream here, guys. I pop on and Jonathan sending me a tip instantly. And always so nice to see you guys in the chat, even before we go live. So thanks for that. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah. So looking like we're selling off pretty heavy right now. Jeez. Wowza. Been straight down here. I was just taking a look at the 1 hour chart. We've been going straight down for more than an hour here. And here I was looking at the chart earlier thinking we're going to be bullish, but not looking bullish at the moment. So, where are we going to be? What's the plan here, though? Are we going to continue lower, or we got this 1 hour bullish fair value gap there? We got one below it also. So lots of potential support targets on the downside here. I think that there's even a little gap right here. This little guy right here, which we're kind of in right now. So wowza. That's what the noise was? Clickety click click click. Yeah, I was getting the I was typing out the pinned comment there. Oh, I didn't pin it yet. Hold on a sec here. There we go. There we go. We got it pinned. Started the stream off with 6 likes already. Thank you guys. You guys rock. We got about 16 people watching so far. Nobody in X yet, but that's all good. They'll come around one of these days. 6 people in the vertical stream. How you doing, everybody? I did link a link to the full size stream if you want to hop on over here with us, with the rest of us anyways. Let's take a look here. Let's get back down to a lower time frame here. Wait, hold on one sec. How long do we have left on this 1 hour candle? We got 30 minutes here till the hour, 27 minutes till the hourly candle. So well, what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? Crazy. Love the website for the merch. Simple, easy, cool stuff. Can't wait to see it grow. Yeah, thanks, Ryan. Appreciate that. Yes, sir. Basically spent most of the afternoon on Friday and then a bit of time on Saturday morning. Just kind of working on designs and getting the website running, getting the store running, everything. So thank you. Hey, no worries, bro. No worries. No pressure. That's there just in case people have a little extra cash they feel like putting on some clothes, you know. So Lafta, you're nice and green on the ES move. Institutions still repositioning after NFP, should see lots of follow through. Yeah, it's hard to say, you know, like I had this like channel here drawn from quite a while ago. I mean, that could be, you know, we could end up finding support at the top of that channel once we retest it. This could be like a retest of the breakout of that. Or maybe we're going to head all the way back down to the point of control because, you know, we actually have an 80% set up here now that I'm looking at it. So maybe we're going to get all the way down to the 500 area here. But I guess the first things first is we can watch this gap at 750 for the hourly close. If we get an hourly close below that fair value gap, maybe that's going to give us, you know, the juice that we need to continue on lower. can probably get this off here. Let's get some different tunes going here. Yeah, so just for you guys that haven't seen it yet, but I did put together a website with some merch. Looking for a little bit of feedback. This is my first time ever making like a website or kind of like trying to like put some merchandise out there. But let me just turn off this banner real quick here so it's a little easier to see. But yeah, so I got Market Butcher Collection 001. VWAP is king. Cut through the noise. Designed for disciplined traders. Focus on consistency. Built for the grind and respect the process. Anyway, so I released a few items here. I got a shirt. You can see VWAP is king on the front. Market Butcher Cut Through the Noise on the back. And then it's basically the opposite for the sweater, because when I was building this, they actually had a larger area for the image on the back of the sweater than the front, so I ended up reversing it for that one. Then I got a little baseball cap there, pretty simple, with a gold embroidered MB with a little crown. I definitely like the way that this coffee cup turned out. We got like, you know, VWAP is king, and then we got stack base hits, trade like an adult here with Market Butcher, and then just a little bit of a like candle embroidery. And then the last but not least is a mouse pad, like a 16 by 32 inch mouse pad there. So yeah, anyways, that's my work of art so far here, if you could call it that. So I didn't really know about pricing and stuff either. I just kind of went with what Shopify suggested. So you guys, if you take a look at it, let me know. I think there's a little wiggle room if I can set it, you know, a little bit lower. If you guys think the prices are too high, I'm not really sure, but feel free to let me know. You got this, Wilson. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. I hope you had a good start. So far, I'm flat. Well, actually, it's not true, because I did take a small trade earlier. Not that small of a trade earlier, but I took, I'm up 95 bucks in one of my top one future eval accounts. So Agent Rogue getting killed tonight. Damn, careful. Don't try to buy this falling knife. Firing up now should be crazy today. That's what I'm thinking too. Mexico versus England. What a battle. Mex 2, England 3. Oh, I didn't see that yet. I'll try to catch some of those replays tonight. So Keith Smith, good evening. Holy, oh, great video you posted. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I tried to, like, I think you guys, if anyone was live for that trade that I took the other evening there, where I took the long on the pullback into the inverted 1 hour fair value gap, turned that into a video, kind of like cut it up, put in the explanation at the start, and then let the trade play out after. It was an hour and 20 long minute video that I cut down into about 13 minutes. So it was a challenge to say it at the least, right? To like get it as short as possible, but like it's pretty hard to turn 1 hour and 20 minute video into like into 12 minutes. So I wanted to get it even less than that, but it was like, what else can I cut out? You know what I mean? So, hey, thanks, Miss K. Looks good. Thank you. Yeah, I will be putting out the BC candle eventually. I just didn't want to make it sort of like my first thing on the you know, on the website. So I'll definitely be putting it out. So why is a mouse pad so large? What, am I not in the loop? An advantage of larger mouse pad? You know, I use a large one. It's got like it's like this wide. you know, and like about this deep, and it covers like basically a good chunk of your desk. And then you have room for your mouse on the one side, and then your keyboard and everything sits on it also. So what did you think? Do you think I should have a smaller mouse pad than that? Like I said, guys, I'm looking for any feedback. So here we're getting a deeper pullback here into the 1 hour bullish fair value gap there. Hey, Drew's 69 Malibu, how you doing? Let's go Mexico, right? Hey, Puran, how you doing? And Raphael Cini in the house. Good evening, good evening. I don't know. I always, Ryan, I ended up buying a large mouse pad before, and it's literally like huge, you know, like everything goes on it. So yeah, maybe it's a little large here. So one thing to pay attention to is we got this channel, right, that I had there from, you know, a while ago. So if this ends up being a retest with a bounce, maybe this is going to be the area around the 700s, maybe. Because we do have this 1 hour inverted fair value gap from before. This is actually that one where I took the trade where we had that nice winner on Thursday evening. Yeah, Thursday evening. So we're all the way back to that price level there around the 700s. And then we did leave a 1 hour bullish fair value gap inside that. Is it a 1 hour or is it a 30-minute? Yeah, there's a 1 hour bullish fair value gap that was left right in the middle of that, guys. So I am interested to see what happens at this level, if we're going to get a bounce here or what's going to happen. So trying not to rush into anything too quickly here. But I did mark off these levels. I might just pull this guy over just so we have this closer to remember that we also have that inverted fair value gap there. And then we also have this 1 hour bullish fair value gap below. Although this one's got to be green. Hit the like. So keyboard 2 now I like it. The price is expensive, but it's fair when you look at comparables. I'd say keep the price where it's at. Okay, cool. So we are getting a little bit of a bounce here so far. We do have orders at 700 here. Let's take a look at the book to see if there's anything else below. We do have a bunch of orders stacking up at 980 and 29,980 and 30K above. Ooh, are we thinking we're gonna get a reversal here soon? Huh. Let's make sure. Let's take a quick look here at NQ on the book, like the VIG contracts. We do have some at 700, a little bit below here, but not too much, and then back up at 760. Let's see if they have stuff on the book up at 900 there also. So they do have 16 contracts up at 900, and then some at close to 800. All right, let's just watch MNQ though. I just feel like there's a little bit more on the book to see here. So yeah, we have 152 contracts there up at what is this price? 966.50. So let's try to see if we're gonna get some sort of reversal potential soon. But if not, I mean, we are below the VWAP, so it's kind of like we should probably be looking for shorts. With the target sort of down to the POC. So since we have the 1 hour gap coming up here in about 16 minutes, we should probably just wait for that. And then maybe we're going to be looking for something sort of like this. What is going on here? There we go. Something like this idea, right? Stop above this fair value gap, because if we get this one, you know what, actually even like this possibly, sort of enter in the middle of these two fair value gaps. with a stop above the one up here that's already been inverted, would already be inverted also. So that's like an 85-point stop, and then we have a target down of like 510 area. I would be careful watching around the 600 to 575 area. We have a -2 deviation band there. Sorry, -1, -2 is down there. That is, oh yeah, that is -2. Never mind. So yeah, if it holds 29,640, can stay bullish. 29,640. Yeah, so we're gonna definitely need to see a pretty strong bearish closure on the 1 hour candle if we think we're gonna actually continue lower, because this is quite a strong move there. We've had basically straight down for 3 hours roughly. Really 2 strong 1 hour candles in a row. Blackout News Network, you're getting crushed. Jeez, bro. Stop trying to buy it. Stop trying to buy it. Trying to find the bottom, you know? We got to try to trade with the trend, guys. Let's trade with the trend. Coke Zero. There we go. If it holds, yeah, let it find range first. If you're not going to go with the trend, it has momentum. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, we got to at least wait for the hourly candle closure here to really know, sort of. So we haven't been leaving that many bearish fair value gaps, all things considered. On the 15-minute chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do have a little bit of resistance above here. Also with this fair value gap here, which is potentially going to be inverted. So cherry float Coke Zero here. Cheers. Nice. Cheers. It's like one of those tiny ones. Hourly and 4 hour candles are big red. Yeah. I mean, this might be one of those days where we just kind of like wait for a little bounce and get in short and then just close your eyes for about 20 minutes and then hopefully you're in the money. But thank you. Blackout News. I'm not always right, but maybe today I'm right. But if you're getting crushed, I would just think that that's probably what's happening, right? Is you keep trying to find the bottom because you're like, this thing can't go any lower. But I've been in that situation many times before, and it always seems to find a way to go lower somehow, you know? I don't know how it does it, but it does it. So excited. Today is the day we're going to be giving away the 25K Flex evals. So make sure you guys hit that like button when you get in here so we can pile that up. The sooner we can get that going, up to 100 likes, we can get that giveaway going. And congratulations to whoever's going to be the winner tonight. We did reset the form. So let's see how many people are on the form here. 58 people. So we got pretty decent odds, guys. We got pretty decent odds. Wait, is it Duck Race Sunday? I've been waiting all week for this. Yeah, it is. It is. And you're here. So that's the best part. Thank you for your support in the stream, guys. Thanks, Kyle. Thank you. I think we're at 1,667 subscribers, guys. So I wonder if we can hit 2,000 tonight. Wouldn't that, or 1,700. Sorry, not 2,000. I meant the next round. Any chance you think we can hit 1,700 subscribers tonight? That would be sick. That would be sick. Let's see how it goes. We got about 43 people watching right now, 2 people on X. And looks like we got 19 people in the vertical stream. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Welcome. We got in the vertical stream, I was able to get the book map working again. So if you guys are wondering what's going on that screen over there, so that's a book map. It's a heat map chart. So as you can see there, we got some orders above here that we've left a long time ago. We dipped into a bunch of these orders at, way back a couple hours ago, right? At the 30,000 level. And then we've been just heading straight down ever since then. We've had some orders coming on here, 850, 825, 800. Looks like we had a bunch there at 760 area. Yeah, 760. Some more were on there at 700. But, taking a look below, I don't really see that much more. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards this could potentially be getting near the bottom. So again, we really need to see something happen here, like start getting some bullish momentum. Maybe we're going to hold a bullish fair value gap on the 1 hour or something like that. We are getting into this channel that I drew before. Let's hope that, if we are going to get a bounce, we got to be patient here, wait for a nice little move to the other direction here. But yeah, not a whole lot to be said below. We do have some orders coming on at 650 currently, which lines up with this 1 hour fair value gap also. So where's the new form in Discord? It's in the same spot, Jane. Just go to the Discord in the giveaway channel and scroll to the top of that channel. It would be, I just replaced it in the pinned comment, so it's in the exact same spot it was before. It's just replaced in the pinned comment there. And then we're just taking a quick look here at the book map. So we do have a sort of like some lower volume nodes right now. Like for example, the 750, we only had 178 contracts there, which doesn't seem like that it's that low. But when we look at what happened below, we have 628 at 30,000, 683s, 579 at 570, 975, 765 sort of at the 940s. 925, 638. So just taking a quick look there, it looks like for us to get back through the 775 and 800s is really going to be key if we're going to be heading back bullish up to the 30k area again or not. Just trying to play some scenarios in my mind here tonight. So because I'm not the best at taking shorts. I've realized this over some time here. So let's see if we can't either get into a good short or find a reversal here. Zach, you're in short from 840. I saw that markup earlier, dude. That's awesome. Killer short here. I am a little concerned though that we're gonna get a bounce here. So just not trying to get you out of your trade or anything, but just be careful. This is a bit of a key area. This is where we ended up getting really bullish before. So we had that breakout from the Thursday evening session, this big breakout candle. We ended up taking this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, left an inverted fair value gap as we got a pullback, and we just moved all the way up. So yeah, we fell down here. We are getting a little bit of a bounce currently. So just beware that I'm kind of thinking this could be the bounce area, but I'm not going to jump into anything too quick here. Gonna at least wait another 6 minutes for an hourly close, and then we'll make a decision, right? Oh, you're 90% closed, plus 1600 on 2 combines. Nice job, bro. Nice. Oh, your first entry was a 1 minute inverted fair value gap. Nice, very nice. So if you guys are in the vertical stream and you want to join us on the full size stream, I did leave a pinned comment in the chat there. If you want to click on that, then you can come over and see the chart and also the book map. If you're just hanging out to watch a book map, that's totally fine too. That's totally fine. But just putting it out there. Let's switch up these tunes again here. Got to play DJ. Let's go. Let's go to the nightclub. You got a hammer for me? Another night. Yeah, I'm really tempted to take a long here, guys, but I'm gonna at least wait for the hourly candle close, and you know, I don't want to get chopped up. So you purchased one of the 250k Apex just for fun, 18 bucks. Really, 250k Apex account? Wow. I might have to try one of those. What, you're just trade minis or what? You only see the form from October 2025. So that probably is the form. So here's the Discord. Scroll down to the giveaway entry. Right, scroll to the top here. Scroll all the way up to the top. That's getting pretty far now. This one right here. This is it right here. Let me just double check to make sure it's the right one. That's got to be the right one though. It's just an old pinned comment, but I replaced it. So Lucid E8 code. Let me just double check that it's the same one over here. Lucid E8 code Butcher. Top one futures code Butcher and Butch. Yes. Yeah, that's it. That's the one right there. Yes. And if you're ever worried, you can always just fill it out, and it'll tell you if you've already filled that form out. So it'll be like, oh, you've already filled this out. So intraday trailing though. Oh, it's an intraday trailing for the 250k. Wow. The profit target. Yeah. What's a profit target on that? So if it's like 3k for 50k, is it like 15k for this? $15k for the profit target. So we got 2 minutes here on this hourly candle. So this guy looking like for sure we're gonna invert this guy. So 15k TP, 6,500 stop loss trailing only for pros. 270 micros. Wow. Oh my god. 27 minis. Holy crap, man. That's savage. Yeah, it's if it's got the trailing stop loss or trailing drawdown, you got to be careful when you're going with the big size, right? But damn, if you could so is it on the funded stage once you get past the eval, is the funded also trailing? Zach, do you know? So 50 seconds here, we're starting to get a bit of a pump, and again we're in this fair value gap, finding support right at that channel that I've had drawn in here for extended period of time. AXP in the house. What's good, playa? How you doing? Good evening. Nice to see you. A broken trend line. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Just close my shorts. That's enough dumping until London. Yeah. You closed your last micro there. Okay, good trade, Zach, man. Killed that thing today. Killed it. Intraday trailing. Forget it'll never buy. Forget it. Never buy one. Yeah, intraday is so hard, guys. Especially if you're going in like big size like that. If you got like, 5 minis, like all the thing, all it has to. You have to be so aggressive on taking profits. So I'm just curious. So probably trails until initial buffer. It's a bad idea as far as prop firms. Yeah, it seems like a bit of a gambler one. Bit of a gambling one. Oh, 100 risk, 200 TP over and over. Nice. Yeah. Unless this guy, like this one, ran pretty real nice, eh? So that trade today, is that in your the new eval? It's a carnival game, has zero to do with risk management. Yeah, right. I know. Anyone taking part in Top Step Live trading Octagon till you reach the buffer 6500, it's intraday, then end of day. Gotcha. Nice. Oh, then it goes end of day, so the buffer doesn't end after 6500. Oh, but you took that in your Top Step. Gotcha. You took it first in your Top Step. Gotcha. Yeah, thanks, Kyle. Yeah, hit the like button, please, guys. We're trying to get to 100. Then we can do that 25K Lucid Flex Eval giveaway. I know it's not quite like a 250K, but you really got to scale up the size for that one, hey? So we are getting a bounce here, guys. We're at 802 now. I'm going to have to wait for a couple more candles to close here. I'm a little worried that we're just going to get up to this inverted fair value gap and then get resistance again. Captain VIP, hey, I'm doing good, thanks. How are you? What did you get in the vault drop today at 6 p.m.? I haven't looked yet, actually. It's a good question, actually. Initialize dopamine delivery. What's the bookmap saying is a good place to load? Well, this is what I was saying is we don't really have much below on bookmap, and it's all the orders seem to be above at 960, and then we also have 139 contracts up at 30,000. So this could be the reversal point, but in how we've been in such a bearish trend here, I would try to be patient here. Like there's still quite a bit of room to the top upside. So yeah, I'd almost think like we might end up bouncing sort of to the VWAP and then going lower. That would be the trade I would be looking for if I was long biased right now, right? Like if we were if this was a reversed and we had been going bullish, I'd be waiting for a pullback to the VWAP to go for a continuation. So maybe we're going to get a nice strong bounce here to the VWAP and then continue lower. So we'll have to see how this ends up playing out, right? Trend line. The market opens, the market closes. Or a farmed claim reward. What happened there? Where did it go? Another stop loss. Another lesson.
Another chart. Another night.
It disappeared on me, guys. I moved it back, and then it didn't like let me open the last step there. What the heck happened? So is it 40% off? I don't know. Discount applied at the case loot active. Discounts are automatically applied. 2. Free accounts include one-time coupon. Save 55. So I guess I got 55% off? Yeah, I think I got save 55. So I got 55% off. So I'm assuming that's for one account, right? Matthew Lai, hey, what's up? How you doing? See, there's that inverted fair value gap on the 1 hour that we just found a little bit of resistance on. Maybe this is a little bit of a safer trade here. But now that we're getting so bullish, temporarily bullish, I'm like not really sure I want to be trying to short this either just yet. Then it goes to 40%. Gotcha. So just so you guys know, my code does work. Not for, I don't think it works for the case. So obviously when you use the case, you got to use save 55 reward, or I don't know how that works. I think it might automatically, but you might still be able to use my code when you use that. So for example, let me just do this here. Media asset widget. So see the little QR code there, right? If you guys actually use the QR code to go to Lucid when you use your discount, I think I still might get credit for it. So if it's a little step that you guys can do, try to use my link when you use your discount. I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys. But yeah, that's awesome. I love how they do these drops and they make it feel all like, you know, like video game, kind of like a cool reward, like get you excited for it. So it's pretty awesome. I love Lucid. They're the best prop firm for sure.
Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. No FOMO.
All right, let's see here. Pavin, how can I make 5 or 10 point intervals? It's not fixing? What do you mean by like how can you make 5 or 10 point intervals? Which one what are you talking about there? Maui 5 trade NQ is up now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like we've been getting a bullish move, but you know, like it's hard for me to like lean bullish. We did find support here in this area. We bounced off the top of the channel. So did we have a little bearish fair value gap there that we inverted? We did have a little inversion there on the 5-minute chart, actually. Right here. So we inverted this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, or bullish fair value gap, and then now we've left a inverted 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So we got a bit of a mixed bag here on the chart price. It was a pretty strong move with a decently high volume. I don't know, guys. I'm not that convinced just yet that we're going to really be that bullish. I mean, we might continue being bullish here. We did pull back into this inverted fair value gap and found support. So that we got a couple things that are starting to say maybe we need to be considering longs here. We might end up just maybe a nice easy long trade is something like, see if we can get another pullback targeting up to the 800s area, maybe. Let's stop below this. So that's a 17 to a 46 point. Oh, it looks like it might be too late here. 5 or 10 point interval. It's not fixing. Your chart is very hard to read. How do you read a chart like this? Oh, hey Maui, that chart. So you're in the vertical stream. This is just a book map that you're looking at there. So that is orders that are like on the book, right? So these are real contracts that are being traded in the market. As you can see, you got a bunch of orders up here at 29,975 area and 30,000. So that's not what I trade off of the chart. So you're in the vertical stream, which only shows the book map. So if you want to come over and see the full size stream, there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. Click that guy and that'll bring you over to the full size stream. We have about 70 people over here watching that, where I have the trading view chart and the book map. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We're gonna head to the VWAP and then potentially maybe get resistance again. I don't know, guys. But I did tell you guys, like, this area here, I should have listened to myself. I should have went long down here where I was watching this price like playing around here at the 700s. Long is very good here for scalps. Seems to try to hit. Yeah, can we short it from here now? I wouldn't short it here. I would at least wait for the VWAP. We got to wait to see what happens at the VWAP if you're going to try a short continuation. One idea is if we see, getting a little bit of resistance here, the 781. But yeah, if I was looking at if we were in a long, you know, if this was going bullish, like invert the chart, I'd be waiting for a pullback to the VWAP for continuation, right? So there's a good chance we're going to end up getting up there, and whether or not we reject and go lower is going to be yet to see. Will be yet to be seen. But have you ever made trading decisions based only on bookmap? Not really, no. Not really, no. Because I have to see other things other than that. It's just an added confluence, basically, Lafta. Wait for the reaction once near the VWAP. Yeah. Okay, so Pavan, how can I make 5 or 10 point interval? It's not fixing. So you're talking about like for the candles, Pavan? Like, are you looking for like ticks? How many ticks? Because if you do 10 candle for every 10 ticks, that would be 10 ticks is only 2.5 points, right? So 100 ticks is, but it's not exactly true, right? I don't know. I'm not exactly sure how to answer your question there, Pavan. Sorry. How can I make 5 or 10 points interval? Like, you would have to use ticks, but then I feel like if it goes up 20 ticks and comes down 10 ticks, and then it goes up, you know, down, up and down to make 100 ticks, that'll be your candle, right? I never really use ticks, so I don't know if I can help you out on that question. Sorry about that, bud. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thanks, Kyle. Lone Wolf, hey, how you doing? Did you do any dog events lately? What is Patrick's goal here? Are you trying to play macro rotations? Macro rotations? I don't know. Not lately? Okay. I just had this inverted fair value gap here on the chart. I know I got a whole bunch of lines and a bunch of mumbo jumbo everywhere, but we had this 1 hour bearish fair value gap from before in the Thursday New York session, which we ended up inverting. That's where I took a really good long. We went up here in this bearish channel. We finally broke out, but then the problem is we pulled back all the way to this channel, which had a 1 hour bullish fair value gap also, plus the top of this long-term channel that I've been looking at since the recent high on Tuesday. So, you know, we got a breakout. So is this the retest before we actually continue higher? That's kind of what I'm wondering, right? So that's kind of the idea behind why I thought we were going to turn bullish here at this level, which we did. I should have listened to myself and gone into a long there, but I didn't. So now I'm sitting here waiting to see what happens at the VWAP, basically. But we're looking pretty strong here. Like, we're going to go to the VWAP, you know? Like, we're almost there now. I think Patrick wants to play quick scalps. I hope you have a lot of screen time. Who's Patrick? Patrick, did I see somebody in the chat? Pavin? Oh, Pavin, you mean. Trading View is acting weird. Where is your VWAP? My VWAP is right here at 29,821. We got 10 people watching the vertical stream right now. Thanks for your support there, everybody. Appreciate the likes and stuff on the vertical stream. And if you want to join us on the full size stream, there's a pinned comment over there. Click that little. Oh, hey there! I missed Paul's comment earlier. Hey, Paul Memphis in the house. How you doing? Sheesh! I was down 1,200. Now up 5. Blew 2 evals today though. Oh damn! Blackout news. Rough. Soul Searching Gurus. That England-Mexico game was so exciting. What a game. I missed it, guys. I missed it. Damn. On my trade of 8, I'm not able the range. It's taking 20 to 30 points on right size scale. Huh. Yeah, I'm not sure. I like this version of your channel. I can focus on volume trading. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely see the CVD and everything. Actually, let me just adjust that. I feel like the you guys probably want to see more of the CVD. So let me just save it like that. Just double check this. Fill one person. Save update layout. There we go. There you go. Now you should be able to see the CVD a little bit better there on the vertical stream. And then that way you can see what's going on with the volume and the CVD. Yeah, Pavin, you know, to be honest, I don't use Tradeovate for anything other than just placing my orders, and it'll show up here. Like, for example, let me see. Put it on. So if I go and I put like a long order here, see, and then it shows up on TradingView. So I've placed it on this chart, right? I placed it here on the Tradeovate chart, and I have Tradeovate and and trading view linked, and that's why it shows up here, right? Hey, Clee in the house. How are you doing? 1 minute OB rejection. You missed a super dump, Clee. I don't know if you've been trading or not, but man, did we head lower all the way from the 30Ks, finding resistance up there, rolled over all the way down to 29,700, 300 point drop. Chris says, better miss a good trade than to enter a bad one. One piece of wood burning forever. That was a big drop. I caught 50 points short earlier. Nice. Of course you did. Clee knows what she's doing.
Break 500. She's going up. Break 500. She's going up. Top 40 added one more.
Kyle. Kyle's working hard for the stream here, guys. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Always putting it out there. How we doing on the like situation? We're shooting for 100 likes, and then we're gonna give away that 25K flex eval. So if you guys want to go to bed early, you know what to do. Looks like we got up to about 37 so far. So about 50% of the people watching so far have hit the like button. We have 88 people in YouTube and 3 people in X. Getting busier. Thanks, Kyle. Thank you. Jeez, Kyle, you're so nice. Might go try Panda on sheep this week. Since I'm on vacation, it's over a 4-hour drive from here. Oh, interesting. Like, see if she'll herd sheep kind of idea?
Let's go. Deep bass.
I'm wondering if if this trade could actually play out here or not.
Mustang trader. Late night.
I'm not in a trade yet though, guys, so just keep that in mind. I'm just putting this for an idea. Don't jump into a trade. This isn't a financial advice area here. I'm just looking at some potential ideas to see if I think the risk to reward is any good. So we would be a 40 to a 63 there. Yeah, it's hard to take a long here. We did find some pretty strong resistance there at the 780s. I mean, if we get above, if we take the VWAP with some nice momentum, then maybe a long is the trade to take. But we're going to have to see what happens when we get to the VWAP. Got it. 15 NQ long. I'm in. Oh, really? Yeah, Echo's been on sheeps over a dozen times. Wanted to see how Panda does. Nice. And Echo's your older dog, right? And if you guys are thinking about taking a long, like, I would be pretty aggressive here if you did take a long. Like, if you start getting into profit, you know, maybe take some off early, put your stop into profit, that kind of idea. Just because of how bearish we've been, you gotta play it safe with the long trades if you're gonna take any. If you're gonna try to target the VWAP, right? But I feel like maybe what we should do is not put this there because I don't want to get anybody into it. Let's reverse this guy around. Let's think about something like this, right? We still have the point of control way down there, right? This looks like a much better idea. Now, whether or not it could play out, that's a good question, but long 45 at 755. Didn't you just say don't long it here? Close 30 at 775. Oh, I don't think it's done dropping yet. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Clee. It's just we're probably gonna get, you know, often we get a retest of the VWAP, right? So that's why I'm thinking we might end up just finding resistance there. What are some tactics with order flow? With order flow, well, what I'm looking at here on the book map is I don't see much orders below. So that's kind of what's making me think we might end up heading back towards 30K. We found support here in an inverted fair value gap and a bullish fair value gap, which lines up also with this trend, you know, this bullish channel that we're in. We finally broke out of it. We retested it, so this could potentially go higher here. That's kind of the only thing that's like making me think longs are going to be good, but I want to see what happens first at the VWAP, right? So the only thing about the order flow that we can see right now is that we have a bunch of orders up at, you know, 29,966, 960s maybe, and then 30,000. So that's kind of what I'm seeing here. But yeah, on a shorter term idea, you know, like I said, this could be a long idea just to the VWAP here, little base hit, but we're gonna have to see, try to be patient on this guy. Close 10 more, holding the last 5 from 750. So you got in long at 750, eh? See what happens here.
Let's go. Deep base. Market butcher.
And stacked into it. Yeah. Close 10 more, holding the last 5 from 750. I'm totally changing my risk management and stacking my winners now. Yeah. Hey, good idea. And especially if you got a trailing drawdown. I don't know which one you're trading right now, but okay, guys, I am in a long too. The fire here by Lake. Oh, there's a fire. Oh, damn. I'm sorry to hear that. That sucks. So I'm actually going to take a couple off here. Took a couple off there. I got 3 contracts left. Rizzy Regis. Yeah. I didn't want to take anyone to get into that long because, you know, like, it's too risky. I don't want to like get people induced into taking a long there. So I started feeling devious there in the background. I'm like, oh my God, what am I doing here? You know, sometimes I'm going to take a trade. I don't want to show it because it's like a B trade, in my opinion. A trade back to the VWAP. It was the one I was lining it up earlier for you guys, but that was this one right here when I was doing this. I'm like, how does this look? Let's stop down here. But I feel like it's a B trade, like not really one that I would want everyone to take, right? So anyways, yeah, I'm in it. So we got orders at 800 there, or a potential target of 800. We got 73 contracts So I'm probably gonna maybe take off like 2 more if we can get sort of up to the 98s. And then we'll leave 1 more up for the VWAP here at 8:15, 8. Yeah. There we go. Got those 2 off there. It's not a secret. It was like, I'm trying to protect you guys. I'm trying to protect you from taking a bad trade. And I'm going to put a stop to break even here. Yeah, you had more than I did. I only had 5 contracts, so. But since I only have 1 left, I could think about adding in here on a pullback. Let's see here. We did, but my stop is pretty tight there. So I'm actually going to I'll just put the stop to break even and see if we can't add into this guy. But maybe, see, this is why I didn't want to show this trade, because this thing could just instantly turn around just like that. And if anyone, hopefully nobody chased it up here. But like, we hit that bearish fair value gap there below the VWAP, and now this could be the reversal point, right? I thought we were all friends here. We are. I'm trying to protect you guys. I'm trying to protect you. 1 minute OB. What's the OB? Sorry. Opening balance. They're added in the fair value gap, guys. There we go. We got an extra one in there. Order block KO. Thanks, Ryan's. Ryan's like answering me in the vertical stream. Thank you. Everybody's answering now. Matthew, Trina, Apex. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm not that much into ICT concepts. You know, I know fair value gaps and inverted fair value gaps, and that's about as far as it goes. So. Sorry, Ryan. You added 50 long in the fair value gap there? No, you didn't. That's not true. I'm so deep in my recliner after that sell-off, right, Doom Lord? Yeah, dude. I hear ya. Hey, for once I got an add-in that worked out, guys. Can you believe it? I think I'm going to take one off here right before the 800s again. And I'll leave the 1 runner. Okay, I took that one off. I'm going to put a stop break even now on this remainder. And we'll take away that TP. Extra 2K? Nice, Zach. Nice. You did the same thing? Oh, sorry, guys. You know, it's just sometimes, like, I don't think it's a good idea to share, you know, those lower quality. In my opinion, I think that was like a B trade. So it's kind of like, I really just didn't think it was a good idea to show it, but sorry about that. Well, this thing might come all the way back down here, but let's hope not. I'm still thinking about shorts here once we get up to the VWAP. So yeah, no trade till touch of VWAP. What's up, master traders? 816's looking good. Yeah. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Looking like it wants to come back and retest this gap again. I might actually go right to the top of the gap here. At least I'll capture a little bit more profit if it decides to just come straight back down here. You never know, though. The buyers seem like they're trying to hold this. So this is all a lot of short covering, guys. Just think about that. So what we're trying to do right now is we had such a bearish move. We bounced off but it is a retest of the level. I don't know. Hey, Rizzy, thanks Thanks, Ridzi. This is an AI song that I made. I like it too. I think I've been playing it a little too long though. Hey, let's. I'm gonna change it to a different version of the same song. It sounds slightly different, but it's the same lyrics. Sounds slightly different. Are we going to the view up here right now? Maybe, hey? Do you usually make a big contract order and then close them one by one? Yes and no, Ryan. Sometimes I'll place multiple sort of like entries, long entries or short entries. Like if I'm going to do 1, 2, or 3 micros, maybe I'll do like 3 orders of 3 micros, something like that. On occasion, because the account that I have this trade in is a 100K top 1 futures evaluation. So I typically trade 5 micros on the entry. So that's why. And then yes, I like to scale out as it goes into my favor. We're taking risk off the table, and 2, we're just locking in profits, right? So that's kind of why I don't know. It's a personal thing. I'm okay with taking partials, and I'm not capturing as much as I could by holding it all, but it just makes me more comfortable in the trades when I like scale out, right? Some people want to sweat right to the last minute before their take profit gets edged with all their contracts. And yeah, that works for people. So yeah, 5 micros and 100K. Yes. I will occasionally scale in a little bit bigger, like to 10 micros or so, but I try to not go much more than 10 in 100K. And usually in my like 50Ks, I'm only doing like 3, maybe like 6 at a maximum, 5 or 6 at a maximum. Klee shorting at 810 with a stop at 830 just to see if it comes back down. What is this? What are you doing here? What's in the background there? Oh, okay, sorry. That's your hair. That's so cool. That looks like a fun day. Butch, I'm out, brother. Made my money. Gonna have to wait for an entry. Nice, AXP. Yeah, you have a full month to pass. Yeah. I went on another UTV ride today. Had a blast. Got a pic this time. That's a sick picture for sure. That looks amazing. Killer job. It must be nice living near the sand dunes. I went ATVing once a long time ago on the sand dunes, and it was so fun. I have an Outlander 800 4-wheeler, which I would love to take and play in the sand dunes. That would be amazing. The thing rips. Trina Banana, how you doing tonight? Good to see you back in the stream. Love the sand dunes in Pismo Beach, California. Nice. Haven't been there. Hey Ryan, if you want to join us in the other stream, we have the trading view chart and the book map, and everybody, we got about 88 viewers over here. You can hit the pinned comment there and come on over. I mean, you're welcome to stay if you want to just watch the book map only, but there's a little bit more that you can see on the other side. And also in the full size stream, we have a link to the Discord channel. So I don't know if you've gone to the Discord and entered your name into the 25K Lucid Flex evaluation on the Discord. So that's another reason, might be a good idea to come on over You know what, guys? I think I'm going to pull my stop down again here and potentially look for another entry if we get a pullback into this fair value gap. Although we are starting to look a little bearish here. Well, it's not really a bearish engulfing candle there, so that's one plus. Topple Fiddle, how you doing? It's going good so far. Yeah, so guys, if you haven't filled out the form on the Discord, it is a new form at the start of the month here. So I did add one contract there. M Brown in the house. How you doing? Zach, you added 50? Bro, you're a wild maniac, bro. You are a maniac. It's just 800s is resistance here at the moment, so I'm wondering if if this is not gonna play out very good. Yeah, we inverted that fair value gap on the 3 minutes, so that's not a very good idea. I might get out of this trade if we get back to break even here. Or close to it. Come on, pop it a little more, little more, little more. Come on. Come on. Nope. Didn't get the chance. I think that might have been the only chance to get out there. I closed it there. Yeah, I don't like that. We got an inversion on the fair value gap there. So maybe this is actually going to be the potential move back to the low side here. Not going to fully get to the view up here. So what are we going to do now? So we had this. Let me just go over this, what we had here on the charts. We had this bullish fair value gap that got inverted on the 1 hour. So what time we got here? Let's get rid of this 5 minute. So this inverted fair value gap kind of is resistance at the moment. We are pulling into this 5 minute bullish fair value gap. And it was a 200 EMA. On what time frame were you looking at there? My 200 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, on the 1 minute chart, we tapped into it and reversed. Foo 5. Usually, we're getting off. I get off just before that one. Yeah, I see that, Matthew. Good call on that. The great. I call that the Great Wall of China because it's like nearly impenetrable. So yeah, I wouldn't be taking the long here anymore, guys. Longs are off the table now, in my opinion. We might find support here in this 5 minute gap. So, but as long as we're below this fair value gap here, I would say, you know, the bears are starting to take back control here. So that was fun. Damn, Zach. You gave back that 2K that you just made on the previous long, or what? Yeah, Klee got in a real nice short up there at the around the 800s. I'm sure she is still holding it. She's that kind of girl. I went to fill out the form and said I already responded. I don't remember filling out the new form from July 2026. It would have been replaced, the form, recently. So I can just quickly look there because there's only 61 entries. Gary, that would be your YouTube name. Yeah, I see you on the list, Gary. So you already filled it out, maybe from after last Sunday. You are on the list. Hey, no problem. Captain VIP, did you fill it out on the Discord recently? Yeah, I see your name on there also. You're good. You're good. So, I mean, even if we're going to continue bullish here, we do need a pullback like this. But that being said, we got 14 minutes here on the hourly candle. So we'll have to see what this plays out, how this plays out. Puente Express, hey, how you doing? Have a good night. If I don't make it back in time, everyone, the smoke alarms are going off and they're making us clear the building. Oh my God, be careful, Clee. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, be safe. Oh my God. Everybody say be safe in the chat to Clee. Be careful out there. That's scary business. You guys got forest fires in that area, right? So we're pushing through that bullish fair value gap here. Damn. So too much of a long idea here. Maybe. I don't know. It's a bit mixed bag here, guys. We're going to have to see how this ends up playing out because currently, you know, we're looking a little bearish, but we're also looking a little bullish. I don't know. We're in a mixed bag at the moment here. 500s, here we come. Hands rubbing. All right. Thanks, Jonathan. Again, another super chat, man. What the heck, bro? You are a maniac. Thank you for that. Sovereignty in the house. Hey, oh, my fire can mess up someone's day. Yeah, fire can definitely mess up people's days really badly. Short from 760, a 30-point take profit. So in this gap here, basically, in the inverted, that's a good trade, actually. That's a trade that I would typically take. Yo, what's up, trading game? Well, I'm thinking we're gonna have to wait for a retrace into the 765s here, or some sort of retrace to get in on this short continuation. But keep in mind, we do have this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. We have the inverted, the bearish fair value gap that was inverted from Thursday's New York session. And then we also have another 1 hour bullish fair value gap below.
Late night futures, Discord open, charts blowing. Let's go. Only YOLO. Only YOLO. Jomo. Joy, I'm missing out. While the weekends panic.
Hey, Spaces Futures FX. Oh, you short 50 at 750 and then you got it all back, eh? Nice job, bro. Zach's printing over there. Only YOLO. Yeah, Zach, only YOLO. Take a quick stop, flip the position, and then make another good trade.
Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU.
Strong buyers stepping in.
Talking back.
We do have some buyers stepping in.
Got the levels on the map. But you got the entries, that's a fact. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean if he G and Q.
Uh-oh. I got long there also, but let's see how this plays out. We'll give this a minute here.
Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post the motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. VWAP talking, why you
Uh-oh, that's not good. I might be taking the L here. Back into this inverted fair value gap here. Man, it was looking so good. I had to get long. Added, went 5, added 5 there. And now it's going lower. I think I might have to just cut this guy. You're playing the middle range? Don't check the vertical stream? Why is that? What happened in the vertical stream? Oh, 5 micros. Someone said 1 micro per 500. Okay, I mean, you have a full month pass, yeah. Uh-oh. 6, 7? Oh, yeah, we got 6 and 7 viewers, you mean? Well, I might be giving back basically all my winners from earlier there. I got it. Trade of 8 chart setting icon, the rectangular button at the bottom of the chart, then select continuous auto fit on off. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. So you're saying that the chart wasn't staying, like it was moving around on, or like staying auto fit. Yeah, I know what you mean. I've seen that before also. I had that problem before also. Sorry, I didn't understand what you're asking about that chart there. So you spammed gifts? Really? What do you mean you spammed gifts? Let me see. I don't see it.
Mustang trader, market butcher.
Uh-oh. I better cut this guy.
Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this guy. Get this out of this guy here. I'm out. I got out.
But you got the entries, that's a fact.
I want to see what you're talking about in the vertical stream there. Well, that sucks. I'm down now. I'm down about 230 on that account now. Went from up about 230 to down 230. Oh, geez. Oh, 667 for 6-7 jewels. Wow. I don't know. What do the jewels do though? I don't know what it does. What do the jewels do? Can you let me know what that is? But thanks for spamming that. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of jewels. 67 jewels times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 670 jewels? What is that? Thank you for that. Whatever that does. I'm sure it's got to be something good. So guys, mom brought me dinner. Chicken breasts, cauliflower, and quinoa. How healthy can you be? I'll be back in 1 minute. Sorry about this. I need to hit the microwave real quick.
Mustang trader, no crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex. Yeah. Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. EWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MGC dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. 1 base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post the motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen. Just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate.
I'm back with a warm dinner. Damn. Oh, we got a whole bunch of yums in the chat there, hey?
No oversizing, no nonsense, just levels, execution.
Kyle, your thumbs are falling off? How we doing on the likes? I I gotta reorganize here so I can have room for dinner and the keyboard and the mouse. That's a good thing about having the extra large mouse pad. Ryan, you're on the buy side, 29,702, 40 micros. We'll let it go to 740. Just need 3K. Nice, Zexy. Very nice. Just a little go, MNQ. Come on, let's go. Just a little go. Oh, this is a new hourly candle here. Oh, geez. Hopefully we don't end up ripping lower. Well, I mean, it could be the opportunity to get into so we did not invert these fair value gaps again, though. So don't betray me. Bah! And the likes. I think we had 60, I think, before. We're at 60.
Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. E-Wap talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU.
What's a sale right now for the trading view?
Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MGC dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. 1 base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult.
Yeah, sure. Share the link. And anyone who needs to update their trading view, usually it's a good idea to buy it, even though you're going to be, you know, for like next year or something.
We don't guess this FEG field and we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress.
Yeah, sure. Sure, Captain. Appreciate that.
One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FEG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that ship. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trades like me.
Pavin 468 low. You're looking at the 468 is kind of at the previous day's point of control. And this channel.
Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song.
Check the Discord.
We stay calm cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news.
Thank you, man.
One day flex, we here long term, respect the steps.
That's awesome. Appreciate that. Let me get this added to the StreamYard.
We don't guess this FEG field and we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress. Risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like an adult.
There we go. Thank you. Appreciate that. It's got a weird echo to it though for some reason. Why is that?
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
It's like almost like it's got a delay or something on the StreamYard. Thank you.
We don't guess this FEG field and we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress. Risk management, that's success.
Trading view sale.
That whips too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FEG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go wild when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and
Oh yeah, 55 minutes.
that's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an
Why is that so cheap? That seemed like it's really, really cheap or something for some reason. Oh, it's depends on which account that you have, right? Yes. What do I have right now? I'm in premium. Premium, $29 a month. Complete the purchase.
Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FEG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, them we collect.
My new favorite sound effect.
Quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick.
Well, are we looking for longs here or what? I'm so confused by this market right now.
Take that risk. I'll be over here.
So if you're confused by the market, it means probably just stay flat.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back.
I need to file away the receipt here real quick. Where is that? Documents. Trading documents.
Take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market butcher live.
Okay.
We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we stay.
Hey, Sinister. So today I thought I was on an eval in my top step. I traded on my funded with 1,200 drawdown left on the account and I blew it today. Such a dumb mistake, man. Just had to vent it out. Sorry to hear that, bro. Yeah, I've done that before too. So one day, get this. One day I was green in all of my accounts. So what did I do? I went to a paper trading account that I had from, I think it was from Top One Futures back when they had Project X. And I had gone into that account and I was trading it. You know, I made like $3,000. I was like playing around, going heavy size, right? And then I switched to one of my other accounts to like show people in the stream that I had, you know, made profit in it. And I forgot to change it back. And then I took like a long with like 5 minis and blew the account in like 2 seconds. That was like the worst mistake that I ever made too. So I totally get you, Sinister. That sucks. Sorry to hear that. But there's my story to go along with your story. So just guys, make sure you're always double and triple checking your accounts before you're taking the trades, right? So, but yeah, that's what happened to me. So.
What's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now.
What did I miss here? False alarm. Somebody on the floor below was moving something and bumped in the fire alarm. Okay, well, that's good news. Happy to hear that. You took a long and got stopped out by a couple ticks as I went to move it, then figured it was a sign to just stay tight, stay green for the day. Yeah, for sure, Ryan. If you're green already, no need to push it, right? Maybe chop downtrend again. Yeah, it could be, but I think it's good to cut it short tonight anyways and go for a walk. Yeah, good idea, right? Got out of that trade, right? My hands are effed up by shivering because I was on the buy side from 702 with 40 micros and TP was 740 first, but it goes to 735 and came back down to my entry. But I pray to God to hit TP. Good luck, Zexy. Good luck. Lafta, good news, Klee. Yes. Hopefully you don't have to use your new sound effects much. Yeah, I know. I hope not. Oh boy, the roller coaster. Limit those emotions if you can, or slim down the size and take the toll on your health. Yeah, for sure. Like if you're getting that stressed out over a trade, you're definitely far too heavy, right? Great point there, Ryan. Good call. Way to say that elegantly. When I was doing CFDs, I once placed a 20 lot trade on gold and lost 2K in 3 seconds, right? Gold could really do that to you so fast, right? So
would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right
what's
now.
next on the playlist here? I like this one. It's pretty chill.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders
Yes, it will now use. Yes, I will now use small margin. Uh-oh.
Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true.
I'm liking this hold of this level here.
Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way, man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here.
For the love of everything that is trading, like it. We got 97 people watching right now.
I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, lost you accept.
62 likes so far on the stream. Looks like we maybe need to target 75 likes first. Maybe once we get to 75. We're thinking about doing it. ID 2020, welcome to the Discord.
I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts,
Don't tell anybody.
no magic formula.
I got back in, guys.
Just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
No, I just went with the I just upgraded the other one that I'm using. I don't need any more out of it, so I got back in on the long, guys.
Everybody got a system,
I got back in on the long.
but the market, they don't care who you think you are. Smart money.
Sorry.
Really knows. I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold.
I took some more, took some off there.
Let the truth unfold.
I had to get that loss back, you know. I just lost whatever, the $500 or whatever. I went from plus 300 to minus 200, and then I got in on this inverted fair value gap again. Everybody's long secretively. No one's saying anything.
But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight.
I was in with 10 contracts. I already closed some just before I exposed myself again.
Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that.
What a bounce here, though.
Trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate. I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped.
Reversal? You mean on the bullish reversal, or are you thinking bearish reversal? 800 is going to be that level. 64 likes. Exposing yourself on stream. Oh no. Yeah, you should see I'm not wearing any pants right now, Kyle. No, you don't want to see, but that's why I have this blanket down here, just in case. Isn't that what OF and P Hub is for? Aren't you the one that told me I should get an account there? What is life without a little risk, eh? Right? Jerry? Don't make it a boner blanket.
Everybody got a story. But the market.
I feel like I should probably just take one more off here. I don't know if I should hold this forever or what, but TP for me just hit. Nice job, Elite. Good job, good job. I'm taking one more off, I think. Just cause. Just cause. I still got one contract left, up $160 here, so.
Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab. Yeah, I heard that.
64 likes on the stream. Trying to get to that 100 points. We can do that 25K Lucid Flex eval giveaway. And make sure you guys, if you haven't already, click the pinned comment there, head over to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that.
Wait for the model. Trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's A's. I ain't here to hate. I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man.
Check it out, guys. Here's the marketbutchertrades.com website. I kind of put in a little bit of time over the weekend, finally got this thing going. You know, once you get up above 1,000 subscribers, you can add a store to your YouTube channel. So I did. I finally got it together. So here's my first collection 001. VWAP is king. Cut through the noise. I do have a couple things available here. T-shirt, VWAP is king. A sweater, a hat with Market Butcher and a little crown. And then we got a cup here. VWAP is king. It's a coffee cup. Stack base hits. Trade like an adult. And just a little design of some candles. And then if anyone needs a new mouse pad, here's a giant size mouse pad. It's like a desk mat one. You know, they're really big. Takes your keyboard and your mouse on there. So just thought I'd throw it out there. Looking for some feedback on this thing. If you guys think it's any good, or if you got what you guys think about the design on the shirts and whatnot. I am gonna eventually put out the boner candle gear, but I just wanted to start with something a little bit more subtle first. I don't want my first drop to be something so sort of like controversial, right? I don't know how YouTube's gonna react to that. So I want to make sure I get everything launched and get it all going first, and then I'll do a special drop. I'll let you guys know when that does come out, though. I'll do a special drop for it. So it's marketbutchertrades.com. I'm also going to eventually build out the website a little bit more. I've been planning to sort of like make a checklist, like a free checklist kind of idea, where you just go and you download it, and then it's kind of like a start of the day checklist where you can like ask yourself some questions to see how you are mentally, if you're prepared, everything, right? So and then also I'm gonna link all my all my favorite tools. So like what I like to use, like TradeZella, TradingView, maybe even the prop firms that I'm using, and some of my favorite books. So just have like a little bit of area that's kind of like, here's some recommended things to look into anyways. So when is the duck race I heard about last week? It's as soon as we get to 100 likes, we'll be doing it. So that's why we keep asking for likes on the stream. Kyle's pushing likes hard, like DD from down south. We got 69, so we need about 30 likes. We have 97 people watching right now, so we should be able to get to 100. So pick of Ralph with the caption, trading is rough. Oh, that's a good idea. I will definitely think about doing that. Yeah, you're right. That's a great idea, because we need a little Ralph tribute, right? For sure. We need a Ralph tribute. Because that guy's getting old. So we hit 70 likes so far. 30 more. We got 95 people watching. We should be able to get pretty damn close. I'm trying to decide where I should be cutting this thing. We're coming up to the 800s again here, and the VWAP. What we really need is, if we're going to turn bullish, we need a big, strong bullish candle to take the VWAP. I'll have to add that in the special drop. So I'll do like the boner candle. We'll do Ralph trading is rough. Is that what you said? Trading is rough. Or NQ is rough.
Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market
I'm gonna tell AI about that so I don't forget about it.
just stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you can? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw
The next 30 people who click the like are guaranteed to be eligible for the duck race, but act fast, spots may be limited.
I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline.
Yeah, she's always dirty dancing. NQ dirty dancing.
They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. Concrete session. Dust on the sneakers. City lights.
Love the song about base hits. Why can't the mind just accept small compound? I know, Exceeded. Taking base hits is the way to go for sure. Thanks for the comment there. You should jump in, hit the link in the pinned comment there, jump over to the full-size stream. In the full-size stream, we have a link to the Discord. When you go into the Discord, there is a form you can fill out to get entered into tonight's Sunday duck race. So if you're looking to get an opportunity to win a 25K Lucid Flex evaluation, definitely head over to the full stream and hit the pinned comment in the vertical. Then in the full stream, head over to Discord, go into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. You'll find the form at the top there. Are we getting resistance here at 800 again, guys? I'm kind of almost thinking I need to just take this last contract off. Don't threaten that, Kyle. Don't threaten that. Am I showing up in Top Chat or not? Just curious. I know when my new name changed, sometimes it doesn't show in Top Chat. Let me see. Let me see. MNQ contract killer. Yep, I see ya. You are number 8 on the list right now. What's your usual tag then? Like or your next fart won't be a fart. Oh, damn. It's not a threat, it's a promise. Are we gonna take? We're gonna take the 800s here, guys. I think so. It's that psychological level. We did have a buy volume ball there. 209 contracts. That I like that song, but it's just so short.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad.
It doesn't like the killer, so I changed it to capitalize. Oh, trade for keeps. Gotcha.
Like a grown man watching a story. I know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking.
817 is your target? That's right at the VWAP.
Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett.
That's right at the VWAP. That's a good target.
Other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there. Confused as hell. Just one more.
But I feel like if we get to the VWAP, we might just go straight through it.
Just one more trade before they blow the day.
Is this potentially a channel though? Maybe.
The discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle.
Well, I'm up almost 200 points on this one micro here, 190. This is the start of day VWAP from Thursday evening, because you know Friday we didn't have, so I only use a one VWAP, and I started at Thursday at 6 p.m. And because we didn't have a regular New York session, I didn't change it. So that's the only VWAP that I'm using. Is anchored from the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from Thursday's new market open. Hey, my dad's in the chat. Hey, how are you doing, Dad? W's in the chat for Mr. Stewart in the house. Good to see you, Dad. Hopefully you're doing well. Money bags. I'm heavy long, bro. What's your advice? Scale out. Not financial advice. Well, we're taking the 800s here. We got to get above these candles here, at least 806. We got this bearish fair value gap up here. In fact, we could probably even just group these two together. And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Which is right in this, right on the VWAP too. And this is on the 3-minute chart. I guess I better lock in some profit here, guaranteed. There you go. You just got your TP there.
Yeah.
Double bottom to VWAP.
Let me tell you a story.
Yeah, double bottom straight to VWAP. Still thinking to keep them 11 micros. Yeah. I mean, definitely there's still an opportunity we're going to head higher here. But if the shorts are going to continue, this is where they're going to step in probably, right?
Somehow, you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says,
have you guys heard Iguana Dawn? It's something that we usually play in the morning streams because it's for Nick. This is the guy I stream with in the morning. Doing just fine here. Nice. Good to hear, Dad. What's the target? What's the target for the secret long? Don't say it like that, Agent Rogue. You're the secret agent. Looking for a retest 828 if we break up that 848 and then some continuation.
my iguana don't care. He don't really care. What stops you trade?
My iguana don't care.
My iguana don't care. It just on the branch.
Smoking your iguana?
In a Sunday sunbath.
I feel like if we get back below the 750s, we got to be out of this trade. So I'm going to put my stop there at 7, maybe even 760. Just in case. Actually, let's put it just below this inverted fair value gap. Am I still trapping longs? Very close to break even. Oh, so you're waiting for it to come back up on your long. This could be it for the longs until New York. Be careful. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking here too, potentially. We kind of have this bit of a range that we've been in now, and the VWAP could be sort of the seller's resistance level. So I totally see what I agree with what you're saying there. We've held this channel, the top of the channel for two attempts now on the pullbacks. Woo. Let's manage this on the 3-minute here. So we do have an indecision candle there. This could potentially be a rejection point. We'll see. I'm closing my longs. I had 10 from 701. Hey, I got 702. You fell asleep? Jeez, bro. That's a good way to wake up.
Sunday night, Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures. Code MBT.
The 5-minute candle actually looks pretty bearish.
But laugh like degenerates. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping.
I'll pick your stop at that price.
Chasing highs, FVG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT, go get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top 1 futures got the butchers out.
Let's see some momentum and rip right through the VWAP here. That'd be crazy. Nice bullish candle with a closure up in the 830s. That'll really solidify the fact that the bulls are still in control.
Too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil, reload, my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping.
Pretty nice, nice move there from the 700s. Market looks like it's going to continue to go through the session. Nicholas. Yeah, go up through the session. Yeah, it is leaning that direction so far. We needed a strong pullback. We were bullish there for what, two sort of like sessions. A really long overnight session because technically New York wasn't a real session. We had to go retest that channel. Kind of want us to put my stop now at like 788. I'll wait for this candle to close, see what we get out of this. Yeah, it turned that around. Hey, I got rid of that loss and I'm up very nicely now. So this account is now up 1,600 on the day, 1,660. This is a 100K Lucid, or sorry, 100K top 1 futures evaluation account. How we doing on the likes, guys? How we doing? We might have to run it at 75 likes. Doesn't seem like we're going to get to 100 today. SOXL is looking good now. Let's see if we can test 900. Thoughts on DRAM in the next couple of months? Will SK Hynix US listing pump memory stocks? Michael, to be honest, I haven't really been paying attention to stocks at all lately. So I wouldn't really have any input on that, but maybe somebody in the chat might be able to help you out there. Anybody paying attention to what Michael's talking about in the chat there? I've been solely focused on futures for the last year now, basically.
Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. MGC flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the
Hey, welcome. Hey, no worries. Welcome to the stream regardless. Drams. I mean, I could take a look at the chart for you real quick. Mm-hmm. SK. Oh, you know what? It's because I'm logged into Tradeovate. It won't let me bring it up. Lucid funded account, stacking them piles. Top one codes got the whole chat smiling. Even the bears been dancing a while. Late night Globex. Candles glowing. I think it's because I'm logged into Tradeovate. It won't let me open it up. Then you're in the vertical stream. Oh, just Bookmap and you on the TV. Oh, so you got the vertical stream on the TV, and you're in on the phone. You're in the full size stream, then, Dad. Because where you're typing right now, that's a full size stream. So you're just in the wrong one on the TV. This damn technologies, guys. Technologies, man. Jeez. Well, up like 120 points in this trade now. I think it's time for us to bring our stop up at least to the 780s. Realistically, what are we looking at for a target? Maybe 840 at the 200 EMA? Yeah, she's a grinder. Lucid giveaways. Top one futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade. I think I need to make more songs like this, like these ones. Do you guys like this kind of like techno-y house, lo-fi, whatever? Little Uzi Vert stream looking for group. Hey, Elevated Life, how you doing, bro? Good evening. Click the link there. Click the link. Join us over in the full-size stream. We need some more likes over here so we can get this giveaway going. We're so close to hitting our target here. What do we got? 71. Let's get to 75, guys. We'll do the duck race. Come on. Let's do the duck race. We got 75 people on the giveaway form. 75 likes. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. Look at this thing going here, guys. They're going. Kablooey. UC 172 or 72. Nice. We going. Yannick. Okay. I was like trying to make sense of that. Welcome to the stream. Hey, nice to meet you. My name's Dave. I'm a Canadian, eh? I live in about 45, 50 minutes outside of Vancouver, British Columbia. If you know where that is. If not, I don't blame you. You crossed 817. Heck yeah, we did. Heck yeah, we did. My big mistake, closed my 7 micros at 806. There you go. Oh, you mean because you closed it too early? Sorry, if I gave you bad advice there. It wasn't financial advice, so I always try to say that. But never get mad at taking profits, right? It's never a bad thing to take profits, right? You never know when the price is going to turn around. You're telling me, like, I mean, I got out of most of my trade long ago. Well, at least you held on to 5 runners. Nice job. Yannix, I'm from Reunion Island. Where's Reunion Island? I'm not sure where that is. Is it the form from Friday, or is there a new one? So after last Sunday, we put a new form in the Discord. So if you haven't signed up to it anytime during the last week, you might need to sign up for it again. So and I don't see your name on there. Quickly scanning through it, so make sure you go over to the Discord and fill that out. Oh, we got the 81 likes. There we go. Nice. We hit it. So you guys have one more match at your stadium in Vancouver. No? Yeah, I think we do. I think you're right. Oh, it's next to Madagascar. Cool. That's awesome, Yannix. You bought Tesla stock in October 2010 and sold it when it was up 15%. I didn't go broke taking profits, but you left a lot on the table. Hey, I'm still holding some from, I think I paid 160 each. Not that many, but the form is pinned in the Discord trading game. So if you head over to the Discord there, that's where the form is. It's in the general, or it's in the giveaway channel in the Discord. Another stop loss. I just saw your message there, Zach. Nice job, man. Beautiful trades. Another night. Woo! Lovely, lovely. Oh, last upside bullish target after 848 for me would have been 880. I feel like as long as we hold the view up here, I'm just gonna hold this last micro for as long as possible. But if we break down below the view up, it'll take me out at the 800 level. You know what? I'm gonna put it to like 96, 75 ish. Just give it a little bit of a breathing room in case we get kind of a wick down and then a pump. 200 EMA and this bearish fair value gap could be the resistance though, so we might get a deeper pullback here, but I'm okay with it if we do. Currently up about 1680 in this account now. Welcome Trev and welcome Dano to the Discord. Amin's in along from 8:27, like an hour ago. Hey FN Trades, how's it going tonight? Looks like a big one. Yeah, I'm in a nice. Yeah, I'm up about 1677 right now, currently with one micro still alive. I was up about 300, then I took a $500 loser. Then I ended up entering again here at the lows, scaled out in these two candles mostly, and then I just left the one runner now, and we're up 1685. So beautiful trade. Sorry about the name handle, can't change it for 8 days. Nice hold. What's your longest hold in position, if you don't mind me asking? I was in a trade for 8 hours. Is my longest trade ever. One day I was in long, basically a market open, and I held it for 8 hours. So how can you be net negative on day trading? You're up every time I tune in. Well, because I do take losses too, bro. I do take losses too, just not all the time. Oh, what is going on here? We might have a special guest tonight, guys. We might have a special guest here. It's so late. How is this even possible? Duck race when? Yeah, I guess we're gonna do the duck race here in a few minutes. Hey, look who it is, Mr. Mustang. Oh, I'm not hearing your mic. Oh, there you go. There we go. We are live. We're trading. We're having a good night. How are you doing? Oh, nice. You're in the long too, obviously. Nice. Nice. Wow. Yeah, sounds like it. I was in almost 15 contracts at the low, and I scaled out already, so I only have one runner left here. So everybody, this is Nick. If you guys haven't seen him, I stream live Monday to Friday with Nick. He is a much better trader than I am. Proof is in the pudding. Yeah, let me link you guys his YouTube channel. Another chart. Another night. Yeah. Getting lots of highs in the chat there. Vanquished, hi. Puran saying hi. FN Trades and Kyle. Oh, wow. No way, this guy. Everyone's like, what is he doing up so late tonight? The get. Oh, really? Sounds like it. At least they're doing their job, the geckos, right? Flying ants, eh? Whoa. Market butcher. Whew. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. That's where I took the long, but I had a different reason for it. I had an inverted fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap, and then also a bullish fair value gap lined up with it, and a channel low, or a channel support thingy. So I had like 3 confluences there. But yeah, also right on the -2 deviation band, right? -2 or -1? -1, sorry, yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Sounds like you've had definitely a good evening here. Makes up for the not so solid Friday morning, hey, where price was doing a whole lot of nothing. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I did pin Nick's YouTube channel there, or I've linked it there. So make sure you head over there, hit a subscribe there. Definitely worth watching. He goes live before me in the morning, a couple hours ahead of time. Usually, what is it, 7:30-ish Eastern Standard Time? Yeah. So you guys get some pre-market, ideas, and get your day all straightened out ahead of time, and then yeah. Yeah. Yeah, our morning streams are pretty chill. They're there's so many people to compete with in the New York Times that it's like hard to get people to watch, but we do our best. Yeah, two old guys trying to make money. So Nick, I got a website going, hey? Yeah, so I made some merch. VWAP is king merch. Little gold and white with little crowns and stuff. Just trying to, I don't know, just coming up with some the initial drop. So, oh, nice. Oh, sweet, yeah. Well, we're pumping here again. I'm starting to think I'm going to bring my stop up to the VWAP here pretty soon. Not really. We have this, the next bearish for value gap here is starts at 35 and ends at 58, 835 to 858. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Hey, Dad, don't worry, you're already on that form. I checked it, and you're there. So we are going to do the duck race here pretty quick. People have been waiting patiently. Looks like we have about 78 entries. Let me just double check here. Oh, actually, you know what? I have to, my bad. I still need to copy that and paste it into the ChatGPT and add the people that, we got a couple more entries also, actually. So just bear with me for a minute here, guys. I just got to quickly run this through AI, make sure we got all the extra ducks added, and to make sure nobody has entered twice. So I just left it still from Thursdays. So we have value area high at 30,036. But for tomorrow's session, I'm interested in the point of control, which hasn't been mitigated yet. Previous day's point of control. Yeah. Fair, fair. Mm-hmm. Okay. Link to sheets. You know, I was saying earlier, because we are so bearish, that if I were to flip this and if it was bullish, I'd be waiting for the pullback to the VWAP to go long, right? So this could potentially be the turning point still if we're going to keep moving lower. But yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, no duplicate entries in the giveaway, so that's good. And all the extra entries, all the extra ducks are there, so that's awesome. You know, I haven't seen Angia tonight. Mahitek duck race, getting ready for the duck race, eh? It's been a nice reversal, yeah. Okay, I got that list here made. So let's just enter this. Paste. Okay. All right, who's ready for the duck race? Looks like I might actually just close this trade right now. This last micro. I'm just gonna lock this guy in here. 200. Yeah, I'm taking it off there, guys. I exited that trade. I just don't want to have to manage it in the background. So ended up being a pretty nice trade there. I'm up 1657 in 100K top one futures eval. Yeah, it was a good one. And let's get the duck race going. Full screen. Guys, check out the banner there too on the bottom. That's Nick's channel there. So make sure you head over to Nick's channel, Mustang.trader on YouTube. Hit that like or hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss that morning session. We'll get this duck race going here for about, let's do 1 minute and 45 seconds. Hopefully the people that win are here, because sometimes they're not here. And we're ready to go. I know. Yeah. Where is it? This one. Let's play this one for the duck race, guys. Good luck, everybody. Do a couple shuffles here. We'll get it going. And this is for the 25K Lucid Flex Eval. So congrats to the winner. One more shuffle. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. And we're off here. GCX Factor, Wayne, Keith Matthews, Sunith Thapa, Sunil Thapa, MyFX Trader, M Brown, D Roy Stewart, Force Fed, Drew's Malibu 69, Angia, Britt Martin. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Wayne, Hector, yeah. Usually, I hate to say it, but usually it's someone in the middle of the pack that wins. Someone in the middle of the screen, but you never know. STFU, it's all rigged for sure. MNQ, Zero Profits, Ryan Entourage, Musashi TYO. There's Force Fed on the bottom. Keith Smith. Force Fed's got 2 ducks. Force Fed has 2 ducks there up in the front right now. He's won an extra duck during the week. The Loyalist Ledger. Pack Tune Trades. So 18 seconds coming up here, usually when the first stop loss is hit, guys. And a couple of people, Drew 69 Malibu Trading Game got rejected there. Who's coming from the back here? Randall Paul Trader coming from the back here. Oh, 7 seconds, 6. Oh, is Angia going to win? I didn't see her, though. We're going to have to remove Angia from the trade. Angia, are you here? She already won one a couple weeks ago. 3 or 4 weeks ago. I don't see Angia. Angia. We'll give her about 2 minutes here. Bro, your duck was even number 1, so close. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't seen her today at all. So she might not be able to claim this one, guys, which is good for you guys because we got it. We'll run it again here. So we'll give her another minute here. So yeah. We can win more than once? Yeah, it's just you can't win 2 weeks in a row, Jane. I just made it so like you can't just win back-to-back weeks, but it would be yeah. So about 30 seconds left here for her. I'm sure she won't mind passing it on to some. She's your daughter.
Let's go.
That's a question for you, Nick.
Deep base. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go.
I'm asking ChatGPT, Jane. Yep, you're on the list. Sorry, Angia. Next one. All right, guys. Good luck here. We're gonna run it back again. Let's shorten the race a little bit down to like 45 seconds here. Good luck. Good luck. And they're off. A Force Fed there. Wrong Trade Jim. Gary Trades Puran. Kyle Shees, you got this Wilson. Fourth heart. Trade by Shazad guy. My dog is a poser? Oh, duck, lol. Yeah, Trina, I see your name on the list. Puran! Puran! When did you win? Did you win it? Did you win it last week, Puran? I'm gonna have to go back to my chats with him because Puran did win before also. I just gotta make sure it wasn't like last week though. Puran, when did you win that last one? You won it last week. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to run it again. So you can't. That's one of the rules I set is you can't win 2 weeks in a row. So your name will still be in there for the next race, but I can't give it away to you 2 weeks in a row. So definitely rigged for Puran right now. So sorry, Puran. We're gonna have to run it back though. Congrats though on almost winning again. Because yeah, 6 days ago. I had given him the account there, so thanks though. Sorry, Puran. All right, guys, here we're gonna run it back here. We're gonna shorten this time a little bit again here, just make it quicker to 26 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds it is. This is how we usually do. We start it longer and then make it shorter and shorter till we get it done. So we'll shuffle these guys around a couple times. And good luck. Oh, the longs are working again here. I see Roy Stewart there. Wrong trade, Jim. Everyone's really far back right now on this race. Maybe because it's only 20 seconds here. 5 seconds left. Who's going to blast from the back here? Puran, you gonna win again? Oh, sorry, bro. Your second duck was in there, so we gotta race it again here. Sorry. Puran's rigged, man. Puran, you're rigged, man. He's doing some like special thing in the back there. Can you believe that, guys? It's totally rigged.
Let's go.
Vanish Mathpal. Vanesh. Vanesh, are you here?
Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go.
I don't see Vanesh in the chat. Can you believe that, Puran? You won twice in a row. Both your ducks won. He almost deserves the account for that kind of odds, right? There you go, Vanesh. Congrats, man. Congrats. Send me a message or send a message into the Discord in the general chat, and they'll send you a direct message. Just need a way to send you the code, right? So congrats there. Congrats. Yeah, Vanch. Yes. Just say something either in the general chat or if you send me a message or whatever works. I just got to send you a direct message. So you're gonna head over to the Lucid trading here. You're gonna select Lucid Flex. Scroll down to the bottom here. It's gonna be the 25K. Go to sign up or to buy one, and then when you get to the checkout page, you're gonna go to the discount code level, and the code that I give you, you're just gonna put it in there. Please send me a screenshot after you've done that. I just need to know so that I can remove it from the giveaway list that I have of accounts. So hey, Vanish, I see you there. Vanish. Sounds good. All right, let's see here. Let me get over to the Lucid platform here. And affiliate area coupon management, 25K flex eval. Vanj, what country are you in? Sorry, it's just one more question I need to ask. Okay, yeah, it's nap time. It's not bedtime. It's not bedtime. It's nap time. Feel free to accidentally send you the code. All right, enough stale market for me. Gonna go get some sleep later, MB gang. Go get some merch. Yeah, thanks, Ryan Entourage. Appreciate it. India, okay, perfect. India can trade Lucid, which is good to know. So there you go. There's the code. So like I was saying there, just head over there, redeem that code. Take a quick screenshot for me and send it back to me in the Discord. And yeah, I'll appreciate that. Thank you. Got to be up for open. That's a nap to me. It's still like 7 hours, isn't it? I know. This is why I'm usually so tired in the morning. I wake up and I'm like a zombie. I have all this energy in the stream at night, and then in the morning I'm like, hey guys, yeah, I'm gonna go along here. What Nick do on the weekend? He makes money, guys. That's what Nick does on the weekend. I think you guys might need some heavy metal to wake you up, whoever's left here. We still got 87 people watching. So this was what was this, a 15-minute? 5-minute? 1 hour? What time frame was this fair value gap from? 3 minute. No, I'm trying to figure out, like, I can't see where this freaking fair value gap is from. Like, what time frame it is. It must be this. I'm lost now. 30-minute? Nope. It must have been the 3 minutes. I remember there was 2 stacked fair value gaps, and that's why I put them together. So maybe it's, yeah, it was these guys right here. So that's what it was. It was in the 3 minute, there. Oh, Angia's here now. Yeah, you missed it, Angia. Sorry. You're too busy at the cafe? Damn. Sorry. But you made 1,500 on the long. Well, hey. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, 25K eval over $1,500. Yeah, I think the 1,500 is the way to go. And we thought you were in the shower, Angie. You were making money, so you weren't showering. So are you in a new place now, Nick, or are you just inside the house? Mm. Yeah. Okay, Dad, you have a great night. There's my dad saying good night now, so I'm not talking to you, Nick. Yeah, we were surprised that Angia wasn't here. Normally, you're always here, Angia. Mm-hmm. Yeah. When did she sleep? Yeah. When do you sleep, Angia? Yeah. So is this the start of the move back down towards the 700s here? We've had these orders above at 29,009, what is it, 960 area, and 30,000 for some time. So mm-hmm. I see that 770. Jerry's asking, yeah, Jerry's asking, does Panthers come out at night, Nick? Jaguars. Ooh, that's on the scary side. Wow. Bye-bye, Bones. So every day, Angia's got to be at the cafe in the morning at 6:30 a.m. Then she goes back home at night at 8:30 p.m. and trade. And then I sleep at around 2 in the morning. And then I'm back up at 6 in the morning again every day. So you get 4 hours of sleep per day? That's savage. Thanks for the screenshot, Vanch. Congrats on that account there. Good luck with it. Let us know in the Discord when you pass it and take some payouts. I hope so. Wish you luck on that. Thanks for that. Congratulations. Try to give it back to the community. Oh, thanks. Why do you choose to live in a scary environment? Lapta says. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, congrats, Vanch. Make us proud with that one. Vanch won, Angia, the person who just said thanks in the chat above you. Make sure you keep your size small in those 25Ks. $1,000 goes away real fast. as a tip. Yeah. 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 It's kind of like you got to shoot for maybe like a 200 TP and a 100 stop loss and then repeat that, right? Yeah. I suggest using micros and 3 max contracts and you'll pass very soon. Yeah, even 3 is borderline too much, right? I would think like 1 or 2 maximum. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, only. I think it's 1250 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 1250. Totally agree. Yeah. They are hard to trade. Mm-hmm. I'm still trying to finish my dinner here. All right. Can you compound the accounts or do they have limits? They do have a max like payout that you can withdraw, but you know, if you can get your buffer nice and large, then you can just take, you know, all you got to do is their minimum, I think is, what is it, 5 days of $100 on the funded stage. Yeah, 5 days of $100. So once you get a huge buffer, all you got to do is make 5 days at $100, and then you can just keep taking the max daily or the max payout over and over. So if you like, you have a day where you put in like four or 5 grand or something, or a couple over a few days, stack up the account nice and big, then you can just keep taking max day payouts. All you have to do is add 5 days of $100, right? So that's kind of what you would probably want to do with those accounts. So we're getting another pretty strong pullback here. This is definitely seems like an accumulation stage. Your mic's off still, Nick. If you're... No worries. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, straight bourbon, or you got mix? So I'm wondering how deep of a pullback we're going to get here, or are we going to just get a reversal here? We have this inverted fair value gap from it was a bullish fair value gap. They inverted it. Yeah, it was a bullish one. Or was it a bearish? I don't know. Anyways, it's an inverted fair value gap. Seems like we're getting some support. It happens to line up with a couple bullish fair value gaps there. So yeah. Yeah, I usually end the stream roughly around this time. The good news, yes. You know what? I don't have Nick on the vertical stream right now, so that's because the input that I have is different. Do you trade every day? The good news, yes, I do. Me and Nick trade Monday to Friday at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday evenings I stream from 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until roughly around this time. Usually is when we're getting off. So, and then Nick, who you can't see, which is in the because you're in the vertical stream there. The good news is he also trades pre-market on Monday to Friday, a couple hours before market opens. So oh, really? Really? Well, that's top one. Wow, I didn't know that. Let's get off this crazy rocker music here. Hey, thanks for sending that out there, Angia. Yeah, Mustang Trader pre-market 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then us both together 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then yeah, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Angia says, I only use Tradeify, no other prop firm, but thank you for the reminders, Dad, because I live DCA. Live or love? Or both? I love to live in DCAs. Oh, nice. Wow. Did you check out Lucid? There's a vault drop. So I think it's 50 or 55% off. I think one account from the vault. So it's like yeah, go in there and check that out. If you are, you can use see the QR. You might not be able to see it right now, but the QR code on the live stream there, the Lucid Trading QR code. If you use that to go to your account, you can still get give the credit to a trader. So if you feel like it, you can always use that to get over there, and then you still use your discount code from the vault. Yeah, and Lucid Pro has no daily loss limit now. They just released that, so which is yeah, because they don't want to blow their whole account. I don't get it either. Yeah. I think yeah. I think it's when people, yeah, I think it's when people when they want to go with big size, right? And then it's hard to calculate, harder to calculate what that loss is. Like if they're trading, 5 or 10 micros, which I mean, we don't recommend that clearly on our channel, but unless you're scaling into a position, but you know what I mean? You know, some people try to recycle those accounts real fast and just go through it, you know, so. GLaDOS is saying it limits your tilt potential. Yeah, and that's totally true. Because it'll save your ass when you decide that you're or whether you not decided or not, when you have that tilt day, it's gonna save that account, right? But it is pretty annoying though. I've been there where I've hit that daily loss limit and then it literally turns around by 2 ticks and goes to your profit target. But again, this is a problem of sizing and not so much of the rule, right? Lucid Loot is 60% off. Just don't put in a coupon code. It changes it back to 30. Leave it blank. Yeah, that's what I was saying. If you want to still support the channel, right, you can use the QR code to go to purchase it, and then use the their code or whatever, because I think it's it says in the loot box, it says save. Mine says save 55, so I got 55% off. Sounds like Lone Wolf got 60% off. So it's just another way that you can still kind of like support the streamers without, you know, and still get the good discount. Eight to 10 ticks. Wow, that's tight. 2 points. 2.5 points. Yeah, good on you, right? And you got to be careful with some prop firms rules on that too, because a lot of those trades are going to be under 10 seconds, I would think. Maybe ES would be a little slower for sure, right? But NQ contract killer. I'm scalping for 1 to 2 4-hour candles. Very nice. Diddly? Or it heard it for many years. The demon female voice in the NASDAQ lies and hates you taking profits. I think, yeah. I was gonna say, I think it's time to play NQ Dirty Song.
Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bells all high. Market but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery.
So I am in a long here. I'm up on 4 micros 278 in my Lucid, or my top one futures 150k funded account. I was actually going to take about 2 contracts off right where we are right now. Since we're getting up to that 800 level, could be a potential rejection area. Gonna put my stop in profit here.
Resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Boner candle print and the bears all hide. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly.
Okay, I'm out of that trade there. That was nice. 220 in that account.
Mother's made a name, whole chat broke, Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good try XD. Well man.
Hey, Zexia, are you Vigo? Or am I confused? Is Zexi and Vigo the same person? I think it might be.
No revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every.
Angie would know. Angie knows Vigo. Oh, it's Car. Yeah. Car. Of course I remember you. Car was feeling very he was tipping me like crazy one night. Like the most tips I ever got in one night. Super chat after super chat.
If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market but your crew, base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop.
Yeah.
And remember,
yeah, it's actually Car was very generous one night, and then it turns out I think he was, I don't know if it's true, but he said he was on something that was making him feel extra good that night, and that's why he was so loose. I don't want to say it on stream, but I think that's what he said. Anyways.
coffee hot. Boner candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid.
Yeah, that sounds crazy. Scott T Money, you remember that day? Wasn't it RuPaul's? Yeah, it was rupees. Yeah, ruples, or like in the money type, right? Indian money. Rupees? Rupees. Yeah. Yeah, not Rupals. And then Zexy said what he was on there in the chat. I don't want to repeat it, but it's a female's name and then some letters. Yeah. Molly and Mama. I think we can get away with saying the name anyways. So he was having a fun night that night. Yeah, Scott, that was definitely the night. Him and Jonathan Stonks were just like having a super chat war. Like, let's see who can have a larger super chat. Yeah, I know, right? I think it was just luck of the draw that day. Yeah, and don't trade today, right? Don't trade today, guys. Yeah. Yeah. You got to go to bed worse than I do. And I'm thinking I need to go to bed here. Well, you're not going to sleep, you mean? Oh, not going to be up or not going to surf, or what do you not? Oh, yeah. That's rough. Well, go get some sleep, man. Drink a big glass of water and try to crash. Yeah, thanks for coming on, and awesome trading. Obviously, you caught some crazy bangers. Beautiful. Maybe we're gonna see you more often on Sundays. Respect the stop. And remember, see you, Nick. See you in the morning, Nick. On that note, guys, let's wrap up the stream. It was a great one. Obviously, we caught some banger trades. Lovely, lovely trades tonight. Let's see. Did I miss any? Hey, there's Michael Krog in the house. Hey, good morning. Once Mr. Mustang's channel got 500 subscribers, you'll give out one account? Really, Anja? Wow, that's amazing. That's so awesome. If y'all are going to hurt someone's feelings, wait until they get hurt by the markets. Yeah. Good night, Mr. Mustang. Sweet dreams. Damn, grats. Yes. Love you, Dad. Good night. Sleep. Trading while exhausted. Yes, that'll be rough tomorrow morning. How do we stop the demon voices in the NASDAQ? You just gotta trade your plan, put those stop losses, and then, you know. Look at this pump here. We're all the way back up to the 800s again. Just be careful in this area, guys. We might just be sort of ranging for a bit here until London opens, which is, what, 7 minutes? Oh, so maybe we won't be running that long. So, yeah, Randall, we did do the duck race. Banger, banger. Let's go. Good night. Wrong trade, Jim. I hope it didn't win the duck race because I missed it. No, you didn't win. Randall almost won, though. He was pretty close. I saw his guy, his duck was pretty damn close. Thank you, Zexy. You too. Take care of yourself also. So let's do our little shout out, the top chats there. Thank you, everybody. Jonathan Stonks, dude, thanks for all the super chats. I mean, I think you gave me 4 or 5 super chats tonight. So thank you so much. I appreciate you as usual. And let me know if you need any help with your real estate venture. I'd love to help you in any way I can. If you have any questions, I'm pretty sure the training is going to be somewhat similar for what I went through. I do have a bunch of practice exams, so I don't know what kind of exams they are. Or I don't even know if Jonathan's here anymore anyways, but if he is, let me know if you need any help. Okay, thanks guys, top fans. Jonathan Stonks, NQ Contract Killer, Miss K91, Miss K, yeah. Randall Paul, Kyle Shees, Lafta, Ryan Entourage, Zexy, Jane Bond, Captain VIP Trades, Jerry Trades Futures, Matthew Lai, Alex Halen, Trina Banana, Big Teflon, Wrong Trade Jim, Zach Lazarus, Agent Rogue, Puran Polywall, Elite Legacy, Lone Wolf Blue, Topple Fiddle, Raphael Cini, Zero Profits, Chris, my dad, Vanquished, Vanch, Mathball. Congrats on that win today. Poor guy, Rirish, GLaDOS, M Brown, Yo Jim Fluff now. This guy's always changing his name. Angia, Yannix, FN Trades, Clee. Good to see you, Clee. Glad there was not a real fire for you. No Life, use code Pine. Oh yeah. Pavin, Riz, Regis, Dididly, Michael T, Plur, Drew 69 Malibu, Sat, Force Fed, Gary LP3, and the Trader's Nest. Sweet guys, thank you for hanging out. Where did that go? There we go. So thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to hang out with Nick, he'll be live at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a couple hours. Hopefully he'll be able to get up. He might end up sleeping a little extra long since he was out with us tonight. But hopefully we'll see you guys in the morning. If not, we'll be back live on Tuesday evening, also 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys be there or be square. So thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great evening. Love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Gold heavy, that gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it. Let it ride. Each session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid val. Whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season, asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Have and calling levels 81 too high. 585, break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L. Bar stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. K-influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good try XD, well managed. Imagine
Good night, everybody. Sleep well. See you on the next. Bye bye.